Hi, Nirothenbi Pillay here from Investment Rise. And today I want to talk about what I think is going to happen in interest rates over the coming few months. Unfortunately, we're going to see a massive difference between what banks do with interest rates and what our Reserve Bank does. You see, previously for the last probably several decades, banks' interest rates have moved fairly well in line with the Reserve Bank movement. So therefore, whenever the Reserve Bank decided to move the interest rate up or down, banks would move their interest rate up or down correspondingly. But right now, we're seeing banks increase their interest rate sometimes by 60 basis points, or 0.6%, and they're not releasing a major press release about it, and the Reserve Bank is not moving interest rates at all. In fact, really, the RBA is pretty much looking at having no movement in interest rates, rate cuts for quite a while, and not even planning on a rate rise at the moment. So why are the banks then increasing their rates? One man, Mr. Donald Trump. Now that might sound weird. I mean, what on earth could the President-elect of the United States have to do with Australian interest rates? Well, it's a phenomenon that's happening all around the world. See, Trump's policies is all about spending big. Whether you like him or not, that's what he's been talking about. And although I don't expect him to fulfill his entire ream of policies, he's going to spend. Which means he's going to have to borrow. And when he starts borrowing, there's going to be greater demand for bonds and other capital market instruments. And when that happens, interest rates rise. And banks all around the world, including Europe, and even Asia and now Australia, are increasing their interest rates in expectation of what Trump is going to do. So what does that mean for you as a property investor? Well, I think we're going to finally start seeing that as those rates start increasing, the two highest priced markets in Australia, being Sydney and Melbourne, will start to cool a lot more. And investors will start looking at areas that are lower priced, giving you better yields, and that's why I think you're going to find certain places of regional New South Wales, but ideally more around southeast Queensland, around Brisbane, a market that's been flat for quite a while, start to take off because you can still get the good rental yields that'll offset the rate rises, and the prices are still very, very affordable. So if you're someone right now who's worried about interest rates, I'd really take a look at what's happening in the global economy and what your bank is doing and expected to do in the coming few months. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Look forward to speaking to you soon.